There are 4,500 species of cockroaches. Only one type of cockroach is the source of your frustration, the German cockroach. And fun fact, despite the name, the German cockroach is not from Germany. German cockroaches originated in South Asia, mainly in India and Myanmar. Global trade expanded in the 19th and 20th centuries, so cockroaches hid on trains and automobiles. And slowly they colonized the world. German cockroaches are a testament to adaptability because they are survivors. So that's the cockroach survival guide. Keep calm, be persistent, try to be sociable, and build resistance to hurdles. Basically, adapt like an ace. Also have a cool rumor about yourself. That last bit cannot hurt. Most world leaders know it already.